I'm Bill Hayes, founder of DreamLegalTeam.com. You're about to hear some plain English legal straight talk. Having driven a bus for quite a few years before my career as an attorney, I can tell you one thing I know for certain. All bus accidents are preventable. I've learned since then that hiring an inexperienced or ineffective lawyer is also preventable. If you've been seriously injured in a bus accident and think it might be in your best interest to have a winning, proven, trial-seasoned personal injury attorney on your side, I can help. This is Legal Straight Talk from DreamLegalTeam.com. If you need to find a good lawyer near you, then you are definitely at the right place. Go to DreamLegalTeam.com and you can tell me what happened by phone, form, or even online chat. Check it out. You'll be glad you did. That's DreamLegalTeam.com.